Extended Read 1. Remember to annotate as you read.
Stone Soup, retold by Winston Ramos. Late one evening, long ago, an old man walked into a village. He had a gray beard. He wore a long green coat. His eyes looked tired, but they sparkled kindly. The old man went to the center of the village. "I am looking for a place for the night, and a meal to share," he said. "You have come to the wrong place, stranger," said a woman. Two little children hid behind her skirt. "We are a poor town. We have nothing to give you." "I am sorry," said another villager. "There is not enough food for ourselves. You had better move on." "I was not asking for food," said the old man. "I was thinking of making some stone soup to share with you." "Stone soup? What is that?" asked a boy. He wore a long yellow shirt. He wore a cap like the old man's. "Oh, it is a real treat. You will see," said the old man with a smile. Then, with a quick move, like a magician, he pulled a large pot from his coat. The hungry villagers watched as he filled the pot with water. "Now what is he doing?" asked the woman with two little children. "You will see, you will see," said the old man. When the water was boiling, he reached into his coat again. This time he took a large stone from a velvet bag. He dropped the stone into the pot. Splash went the stone. "Ah!" said the old man. "Now we are cooking." "Stone soup, stone soup," whispered the villagers. They licked their lips. They rubbed their bellies. Their whispers grew louder and louder. "Is the stone soup really for everyone?" asked the boy. "It is for anyone who wants it," said the old man. Then he sat down to rest. News quickly spread through the village. The old man was making stone soup to share with everyone. The excited villagers gathered around to watch. The old man licked his lips. Then he said, "I do like a tasty stone soup. Of course, stone soup with cabbage is even better." Soon a villager approached with a cabbage. "I had a good crop this year," he said. He added the cabbage to the pot. "Wonderful!" cried the old man. "I once had stone soup with cabbage and a piece of lamb as well. It was a feast for a king." Soon after that, the village butcher came up to the pot. "I was saving this small leg of lamb for my Sunday dinner. I can make something else then." He dropped the lamb into the pot. By now everyone in the village could smell the soup. One of the little children, hiding behind her mother's skirt, stepped up to the pot. "It does smell good, Mamma," she said. The old man smacked his lips loudly. "You know what?" he said. "I once had stone soup with cabbage, some lamb, carrots, and turnips. That was a truly tasty soup." In no time at all, several villagers found a turnip or carrot and added them to the soup. "Does anyone have a potato or onion they can spare?" asked the old man. "That's all we need to make the best stone soup ever." Before long a delicious meal was ready. Everyone in the village who wanted stone soup had a big bowlful. No one went to bed hungry that night. The next day the villagers begged the old man to stay, but he needed to move on. Before leaving, though, he shared his secret with the village elders. The villagers learned the magic of sharing, and they never went hungry again.